Straight up to our top story, 8 lakh people in Mumbai are stranded and homeless. Now, the reason is a circular that mandates an NOC from the civic body for any construction on defence or COD land. While Mumbai's civic body, the BMC, awaits clarity on this circular issued in the aftermath of the other scam in 2011, home buyers and residents of redevelopment projects are left without a roof. Ruchi Deshpande gets us the special report. Kandivali and Malad, kilometers away from Colaba where the Adarsh Society stands. However, homeowners in these areas are reeling from the fallout of the Adarsh scam, where rules were flouted to get politicians and bureaucrats plush homes in a prime address. In the balance is the future of homeowners in 1,400 under construction projects and 500 dilapidated properties awaiting redevelopment. Another 50 building proposals are also stuck, all because of an NOC that is now a prerequisite for construction on defence land.
Since last 5 years we are out of the house. We are in a pathetic condition. The rent has been stopped. We have senior citizens with us. Every 11 months we have to change the resident. The rent is keeping on increasing, and it's like the stage has come and we have to commit a suicide.
एक मजाक हो रहा है, बिल्डर ने भाड़ा बंद कर दिया है. अब हम कहाँ जाएं? बीएमसी में जाते हैं तो बोलते हमको सीओडी से परमिशन नहीं है. बिल्डर के पास जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं हमको बीएमसी से परमिशन नहीं है. हम लोग तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि करें क्या. अब रेंट बंद है, कई फैमिलीज इंक्लूडिंग माई फैमिली सर्वाइव करना मुश्किल है. रेंट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, पॉलिटिशियन के चक्कर मार रहे हैं, बीएमसी के चक्कर मार रहे हैं, सिर्फ चक्कर ही मार रहे हैं, कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है.
हमारे बिल्डिंग की हालत इतनी ख़राब है कि कभी गिरेगा वो हमको पता नहीं. हम अभी बच्चे को भी अकेले छोड़ नहीं सकते, वो भी हमको डर लगता है कि हम बाहर जाएंगे, बिल्डिंग में छत गिरेगा, बच्चे लोग को कुछ हो जाएगा तो जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा.
Around 1,136 acres of land in Malad and Kandivali belong to the Defence Ministry. A government circular issued in 2011 in the aftermath of Adarsh made it mandatory for all construction on such land to seek an NOC from the state. This has impacted construction in new projects and in redevelopment projects as well. In fact, construction has stopped midway in a number of buildings in these localities after the circular was issued. With no clarity from the state or the BMC, developers too are at a loss and have stopped work.
The clear guidelines coming from the state government or the UD has not come in that way. It says a considerable decision, but they need a further clarification on part of it.
The major issue we are facing is I have completed my building up to ground plus 3, and further I am not getting any permissions. I am making huge financial losses, and the time will come when I will be completely evacuated with finance, and then I'll have to start the project, and I won't have the fundings.
Meanwhile, residents and home buyers are bearing the brunt of the delay. The COD Sufferers Association, yet to be registered, has now approached the local MLA to speed up the process.
We have made appeal to the Chief Minister. We asked him to scrap this 2010 circular because of it is mandatory on local self-government to take NOC or at least their comments, their suggestion from defence establishment. Once Chief Minister is cancelled or annulled that 2010 circular, then I think that this issue will be resolved for permanently.
Now, we spoke to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation and they said that this matter requires further clarification from the Maharashtra State Urban Development Department with a circular that states that the BMC can go ahead and explicitly and clearly issue a no objection certificate to these buildings within the vicinity of COD. The BMC further added that the COD has been sent certain building proposals which are stuck in this area, but due to some reason they are held up at the Central Ordnance Department, and this is the reason due to which the BMC cannot go ahead and issue clearances for the same. This is Ruchi Deshpande in Mumbai for Magic Bricks Now.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Magic Bricks Now. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.